Alright, so, yeah, so, this is the challenge. So if you would show them where the tracks are at, well, you're pointing where the tracks are at, there is no tracks. It's funny. We're gonna roll down the hill and hopefully a stick hits in the head like that and get a concussion. And this video just goes like amazing, but
well, go subscribe to our YouTube channel and tell them your
Teddy Stone and this channel. It'll be on my channel too. So yeah, so stop talking and get started.
Okay. You kicked off. Yeah. There it goes, people. Challenge just started. Oh, he's gonna go. He's gonna keep on going. Stop, CC. You don't go down to the creek. Whoa, look how far him. Whoa. Well, there's our challenge. We'll get some more on you going down different hills tomorrow. We're gonna film some more.
Yeah.
With some better footage though. Sorry about the bad audio and stuff, but subscribe to our channel, like the video. Just do it, and if you do it and you do us, we'll send you some gift cards from Walmart or wherever. You just message us.
Yeah, we'll try to do a giveaway. So yeah, rate, comment, subscribe, like it, whatever it's called, and we'll see you next time.